All right, you're welcome. And today I'm going to be talking about how to sync audio to your videos. Let's assume you recorded an audio separately using an external recorder, and then you shot the video as well using a camera or even your smartphone or anything that shoots video at all. So the very first thing you need to do after copying your files, and then let's say you're about to start editing or in the process of editing, you can now start syncing your audio alongside your videos, depending on what you want to do at that particular time of editing. So the first thing you need to do is to launch your Adobe Premiere Pro. Just as you can see here, my Adobe Premiere Pro is already set. Then after creating your sequence, let's create a new sequence for the purpose of this tutorial so that everybody can be following up. Okay, now we have created a new sequence. So the next step is to bring in our files. My files are already here, but just in case, and for the newbies, you just have to just drag your files and drop, as simple as that. So after importing our files, both the audio and the video files, there's something I need to make clear to everyone here. If you want to import your files, and if you are, let's say, in order for you not to get busy, not to get confused at a point, you just have to arrange and package your files in a folder separately. Let's say the video files are in a separate folder, the audio files are also in a separate folder, so that you can just bring in the folders respectively. And then while you pick your files, you just pick the audio that matches, and then you synchronize. But I'm not going to be talking about that right now in this very tutorial. But in our subsequent tutorial, I'm going to be explaining much better on how to arrange files separately and then package it very well so that to make your editing easier for you. So the first thing you need to do, as in regards to syncing your audio files now, after importing the files, is to bring in the audio file. For example, let's pick this particular video clip here for the purpose of this tutorial. Okay, okay, the video clip is here. Then you now go to your folder, because as for me, I usually arrange my files in folders to enable me not to enable me to carry out my editing very perfect and as fast as possible. Because sometimes you may be looking for certain files like for over time, and man, guess what? You may not at a point, or sometimes you may not even end up seeing the file. You look for it, search, and you get tired of searching, and you just say, okay, well, let me just go back and redo. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm now going to pick this audio clip here. This may not match, but let's try and see. So, how to sync the file? Let's just go straight to the point. Let's avoid going around. Now that the video clip is here, this is the audio for this very video clip, as you can see. So, how do I know this? Yes, it is because the audios are in numbers. Likewise, the videos are as well in numbers. I don't know if you understand, but in our subsequent tutorial, I'll be explaining much more on this term so that you get more understanding of it. Then I will now drag, I'll left click on the audio file like this, drag it below the original audio of the file, just as you can see now. The video clip is here already. Then bringing in the audio now, it will go to audio 2 instead of audio 1, because the original audio has already taken audio 1. So as you're bringing the external audio, it will occupy audio 2. Then you left click on it all together like this. You right click, you see cut, copy, remove attribute, clear, ripple, delete, edit clip in Adobe Audition, replace with clip, render and replace, enable, unlink, group, synchronize, merge clips, next, make subsequence, label, speed duration, scene edit detection, audio gain, and all of that. But our main focus here is this synchronize. Then you now click on synchronize and watch what happens. Okay, after you have clicked synchronize, you select audio here, you click OK, wait for it. Okay, can you see the magic now? If you notice something, the clip jumped from where it was to a point. That is to say, it's trying to locate or detect where it belongs to. Now watch again. Then you see, so that is the exact point the audio is. Yes, because the audio started recording from that point. That was the reason it jumped to the point to make sure everything aligns very well. So now the audio has been successfully synchronized. Subsequently, I'm going to be showing us how to do away with the original audio clip. Then we now work with the external audio that is more preferable for use. So that's just how simple it is to sync audio to your video files.